So the idea was to move from Melbourne to Manila to vlog. Simple, right? Coronavirus. Well, it would have been if it wasn't for coronavirus. I wanted to vlog every 4 to maybe 5 weeks in a neighbouring country like China or Taiwan or Thailand. In fact, I'm actually supposed to be in Thailand right now, but coronavirus. And so, when you think about it, it's probably best to stay away from places that are frequented by international tourists, like airports. Plan B. Thing is, I don't have a plan B. So I went to plan C, which is really plan B. What I've decided to do is travel to the provinces. I'm hoping to go to Legazpi in maybe a week or 2, but first I have to extricate myself from my apartment lease. I am on my way to see the fabulous Mang Tuts, restaurateur and raconteur, who has very kindly invited me to his Makati food house to sample his Bicol Express and La Ing. And as I'm fascinated by all things Bicolandia, and as Mang Tuts is a Bicolano, I said, oh yes please. This is Mang Tuts' Bicol Express and La Ing. And this is the first time that I can guarantee that my La Ing and my Bicol Express has been cooked by a Bicolano.
Yes.
So let's test a little bit of rice. This is the La Ing. I can taste the coconut milk. It's very nice. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit spicy, but it's very nice. It's made from dried taro leaves that are then sort of rehydrated in coconut milk, which is the sort of the Bicol method. The Bicol region is famous for its chili and its coconut milk, cooking using that as a common ingredient. But it is quite spicy.
You like spicy?
I love spicy. That is Mang Tuts behind the camera.
By the way.
And it's time for the taste test on the Bicol Express. Now, Mang Tuts just told me that he cooks the Bicol Express with fairly in a similar manner to the La Ing, and also a correction on the La Ing. It's not dried taro leaves. It's just fresh taro leaves and the roots as well. With the Bicol Express, it's cooked with shrimp paste in coconut milk and with a pork belly cut and lots of chili. And it's just delicious. It really is. And I just love the chili. Boy, it's pretty spicy. This is the spiciest Bicol Express I've had. With a tear coming out of my eye. I think maybe that's why you have the La Ing.
Yeah.
It's really very nice. I'm enjoying this a lot.
You make a combination with the La Ing and the Bicol Express.
Okay.
Little of La Ing, little of Bicol Express. It much.
Meng's saying that I should have a 50-50.
Yeah.
Half-half. Alright, I will. I've just about finished this.
Chili, too much chili.
It's not too much chili, it's fantastic. But it is unexpectedly spicy, given that not much Filipino food is spicy. And this is pretty spicy.
This
So
one,
this is
one,
a dessert.
Yeah, the dessert. Different colors. So it stands with this one is the genuine goat pastillas. We call it pastillas from Bulacan.
So it's
Yeah,
goat
goat milk.
milk.
Yeah, done all with the goat milk, but with a different flavor. This one
okay.
is jackfruit, and then this one is mango.
Jackfruit,
And
mango.
mango.
What's this one then?
This the original.
Plain.
No,
It's
yeah, plain.
Right. Okay. So unflavored.
And this one is the makapuno with the milk on it. You want to try it?
And this is
Makapuno.
which
Yeah, yeah.
which is what?
It's a kind of coconut.
Oh,
Coconut and roll in the milk. Okay?
right. Almost like, say, a coconut marshmallow.
Yeah. That's the one
Oh.
you can describe it.
That's good.
You try this one.
All right. Well, I'll try a. Can I try a mango?
Sure. I don't know if it is mango or jackfruit, but they have three kinds of flavor only.
They're very delicately packaged.
Yeah, but it's small. You know?
Okay, so it's.
They will give you a hard time to take it, but what is that?
Well, it's not cheese. It's
No, it's a coconut with cheese.
goat's milk. No, this is goat's milk.
Yeah.
It's coconut with goat's
this
milk
is jackfruit.
cheese.
Yeah, that one is mango.
This is mango.
You taste mango?
A little bit.
Yeah. It's only the flavoring.
A little bit. Yeah, sort of like.
You want to
almost
try
like
it?
a cheesecake.
Yeah. You drink water and then this one you can taste jackfruit. What do you think?
I think these are a big winner. What
Yeah.
are they called again?
Makapuno.
Makapuno.
Yeah.
Well, they're beautiful. Now this is the jackfruit,
Yeah. Jackfruit.
goat's milk. Yeah, this tastes to me a bit like a sort of cheesecake filling.
Cheesecake roll.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. It's very sweet.
Raw. That is
Oh yeah, I can taste the jackfruit.
okay.
It's very sugary.
The way they do it is they put some on the bowl, milk.
for these. For
Yeah,
these.
the liquid milk of the goat
Yep.
is squeezed from the goat,
Yep.
and then they put some powdered milk
Uh huh.
and then butter it until it goes like this,
Uh huh.
a little bit hard, and then you put some flavor on it already.
Oh, okay. All right.
So they separate the original one.
Well, beautifully packaged.
Yeah, yeah. That's why it's expensive because of the packaging.
Oh, okay.
So, but you like this
but
one?
This
huh?
one is an absolute. Well, I've got to have one.
Yeah,
more.
yeah, you can take it.
That is coconut marshmallow.
Yeah, coconut. Now we have already a name for it.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Coconut
yeah.
marshmallow.
Yeah.
You try it, my friend.
They offer it around.
Yeah, coconut marshmallow.
You like that?
Well, tastes good. The
You gonna
coconut.
have
Coconut marshmallow.
Oh, no diabetics here.
No,
So
we
it's
have
very,
already
very sweet.
medicine on it. I mean, the different kinds of.
Oh, well, what a lovely meal. Oh, that was delicious.